Unveiling the phrase, shop the collection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter while shopping online or browsing through stores. Shop the collection. This phrase is not just about shopping. It's a window into cultural and marketing strategies. So, stay with us as we explore its meaning, usage, and why it's important for you to understand it. Shop the collection is a phrase that invites consumers to browse and purchase items from a specific set of products. This collection can be anything from a seasonal line of clothing, a series of books by a particular author, or a range of products themed around a specific event or interest. The word, shop, in this context means to look through and buy from the available items. It's a call to action, encouraging potential buyers to explore and consider purchasing from the collection. Collections are curated by brands or creators to showcase a particular style, trend, or theme. They are significant because they represent the brand's current focus and often include limited edition or specially designed products. Understanding this phrase helps shoppers identify these special offerings and take advantage of them. For English learners, recognizing the use of shop the collection can enhance your shopping experience, making it easier to find items that are of interest. The phrase, shop the collection, reflects a broader cultural trend towards personalized and thematic shopping experiences. It speaks to the desire for individuality and belonging, as people look for products that resonate with their personal style or interests. This phrase is commonly used in online shopping platforms, email marketing, and social media, highlighting the shift towards digital consumerism and the importance of engaging marketing language in today's economy. We hope this exploration of shop the collection has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases not only helps you navigate the English language more effectively but also gives you insight into cultural and marketing trends. Remember, every phrase you learn is a step closer to mastery. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video, where we'll uncover more interesting aspects of the English language. Happy learning!